another beautiful day. So glad you could join me here on WSMV4. I'm meteorologist Lisa Spencer. Loving that beautiful view. That is from Nolensville, where our WSMV radar tower is located. So glad that you could be here. I mean, it's hard to be inside on such a glorious day. It's been so pretty all day long, low humidity, comfortable temperatures. We're going to take a look at how long this is going to last, and we will take a look back in time and on this day in weather history, and we'll take a look back not so long ago, less than a week ago, at Sunday storms. The National Weather Service has been out doing some surveys, so I'll show you what they have found out there with their surveying, as we had some damage. Obviously, I don't have to tell you, many of you are well aware of the damage we had on Sunday, but I'll tell you what they have come up with as some of the damage, the causes there. Well, thank you again for joining me. Let's get right to it, and we'll start with our headlines. And for us today, wow, what a nice trend that we have had. We have got more nice, mild temperatures, cool mornings, 2 more really lovely days with temperatures in the 80s, and then the rain does make a return by the weekend. And speaking of the weekend, this is the wrap up from the Nashville National Weather Service, and they have identified 2 areas where microburst caused wind damage. One of those was in North Sumner County with 75-mile-per-hour winds estimated, and the other was in Overton, Pickett, and Fentress counties with 85-mile-per-hour winds estimated. And that one was at the Pickett CCC Memorial State Park there. And that's where most of that damage occurred. Well, let's chat and take a look at what's going on right now. And this is our pattern on futurecast that we're seeing. That area of low pressure across Texas, it's eventually going to push this way, but in the meantime, we're going to see this front that will start to come in our general direction, and that will provide us with some showers and thunderstorms over the weekend. But it will be Saturday before we expect to see the impact from that system coming through. In the meantime, this is our current radar. Those showers and storms across parts of Texas and also into Mississippi will stay south of us, and not expecting that rain that is in Arkansas to move here either. We are talking temperatures that have been so nice. 75 in Nashville, 73 right now in Lebanon, 75 over in Murfreesboro. And our dew point temperatures, that's the muggy meter, they are in the 40s and 50s. You see them here. 45 is the latest dew point in Nashville. When you put that on the muggy meter, that amounts to 40 to 50 dry, 50 to 60 nice. So very comfortable conditions right now with those dew point temperatures remaining so low. But you know that's not going to stay that way. They're going to change. We'll start to see them coming up over the weekend. Looking out right now, this view is from Hopkinsville. Beautiful out there. And there's that Nolensville view again. So pretty. Futurecast shows how clear the skies will remain as we go through the rest of the evening. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s to start things off. And we've got great lunchtime weather coming up in the mid 70s. That afternoon high will be near 80 degrees for tomorrow. And then in the 50s as we start out on Friday. Low humidity once again. 70s as we look towards the middle of the day, and then for the afternoon, 82 degrees around 4. I think the high will be about 84. Here comes that rain for Saturday and Sunday. Not a total washout. We have a better chance of rain on Saturday as opposed to Sunday. And there'll be some dry times. So not the whole day is going to be a washout, but you'll want to maybe have a plan B in case one of those showers parks it over your little party. Here's a look at how much rain we're expecting, around 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So considering that it's been so dry the past several days, this shouldn't cause us a problem with any flooding issues, but we'll certainly keep an eye on that. Right now, none of the weather that we're expecting over the weekend looks severe. Anytime we get rain, it does help out with our pollen. It is starting to creep back up into the medium and high category. If you're out and about running some errands this evening, temperatures will be in the 70s down to the 60s as we get later into the night. And that patio forecast for tomorrow, if you get to work at home, good for you. I'd take it out on the patio, on the porch. 62 degrees at 8. We've got 75 around lunchtime and 81 degrees around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just looks terrific. Our first alert forecast for the next 7 days, 81 on Thursday, 84 degrees on Friday, and scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for Saturday and Sunday. Again, nothing severe is expected, and we've got a few showers and a few thunderstorms continuing Monday and Tuesday, more isolated in nature, and then some showers and storms for next Wednesday. Notice those temperatures will start to move back up again, and the humidity will increase as well. Well, that's a look at our 7-day forecast. Just a little invitation for you to join me tonight as I'll be on WSMV4 for an update at 10 o'clock. Right now we are simulcasting this on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel, so you can join me anytime for a simulcast, just like we're seeing here. You can catch it there. But of course we will be streaming our 10 o'clock news here on our streaming services, and hopefully your favorite streaming services, as well as our First Alert app. All right, my friends, have a great night. Before I let you go, let's take that look back in history. And this time we're going to take you to May the 27th. This one was really far back. This was, actually, that is the wrong one, isn't it? It's going to be for May the 30th. So bear with me. I know I have it in here. No, that's right. May 29th is right. So, oops, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm thinking about tomorrow's. So this is the correct one, May 29th, 2018. So that wasn't so long ago. Do you remember this tropical storm, Alberto? Well, it became a tropical depression, and then it brought widespread wind damage across Middle Tennessee. A lot of trees were down as a result, and some power outages to many counties as a result of that tropical system coming through. So what we always say around here is we don't really get direct hits from tropical systems, but we certainly can get a lot of the wind damage, and that's what we did with that particular system that day on May 29th of 2018. Well, I'll leave you with another look at our 7-day forecast, and thank you once again for joining me.